Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the luxurious and highly versatile 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, need a mobile office, or simply want a comfortable home on wheels, this vehicle promises to deliver an exceptional experience. Join us as we explore the key features, performance aspects, design elements, and unique selling points of this impressive RV van. The 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van stands out with its sleek, modern exterior design. The high roof option not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also provides additional headroom inside, making the interior feel more spacious and comfortable. The aerodynamic shape enhances fuel efficiency, allowing for smoother drives and reduced fuel costs. The exterior is constructed with high-quality, durable materials that ensure longevity and resilience against the elements, making it perfect for long-distance travel and various weather conditions. One of the standout features of the Sprinter RV van is its customizable floor plans. This flexibility allows you to tailor the interior layout to suit your specific needs, whether you're a solo traveler, a family, or a business professional. The van can be configured with multiple seating arrangements, including captain's chairs, a bench seat, or a combination of both. The rear of the van can be converted into a cozy sleeping area, a workspace, or additional storage, depending on your requirements. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space utilization. The van features high-quality materials and finishes, giving it a premium feel. The comfortable seating includes plush upholstery and ergonomic design, ensuring that you stay comfortable during long journeys. The large windows let in plenty of natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Privacy shades are available for when you need some downtime or a good night's sleep. The 2025 Sprinter RV van is packed with advanced technology that enhances both comfort and convenience. The state-of-the-art infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stay connected and entertained on the road. The system is user-friendly and easy to navigate, ensuring that you can access your favorite music, podcasts, and navigation apps with ease. Multiple USB ports and a wireless charging option keep your devices powered up and ready to go. Climate control is another important aspect of the Sprinter RV van. The sophisticated climate control system ensures that the interior remains comfortable regardless of the weather outside. The system includes both heating and air conditioning, allowing you to maintain the perfect temperature throughout the year. The van is also equipped with energy-efficient insulation and windows, which help to regulate the interior temperature and reduce energy consumption. The kitchenette in the Sprinter RV van is designed to provide all the essentials for preparing meals on the road. It includes a compact yet functional setup with a sink, a 2-burner stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator. The kitchen area also features ample storage for your cookware and utensils, ensuring that you have everything you need to whip up delicious meals while traveling. The dining area, adjacent to the kitchen, features a fold-out table and comfortable seating, providing a perfect spot to enjoy your meals or work on your laptop. The sleeping arrangements in the 2025 Sprinter RV van are designed for comfort and convenience. The rear of the van can be configured as a cozy sleeping area with a comfortable bed, complete with high-quality mattresses and bedding. The bed can be folded away during the day to create additional living space. For families or larger groups, the van can be equipped with additional sleeping options, such as bunk beds or a loft bed, ensuring that everyone has a comfortable place to rest. When it comes to storage, the Sprinter RV van does not disappoint. It offers ample storage solutions, including overhead cabinets, under-bed storage, and built-in closets, providing plenty of space to store your belongings. The storage areas are designed to be easily accessible and organized, ensuring that you can keep your living space tidy and clutter-free. The bathroom in the 2025 Sprinter RV van is both functional and stylish. It features a compact yet well-designed layout, with a shower, a toilet, and a vanity with a sink. The bathroom is equipped with modern fixtures and finishes, providing a touch of luxury while on the road. The shower is designed with a space-saving retractable door, and the toilet is equipped with a composting system that is both eco-friendly and convenient. The vanity includes storage for your toiletries and towels, ensuring that you have everything you need for your daily routine. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van is powered by a 2.0L four-cylinder turbodiesel engine. This engine is known for its impressive torque and fuel efficiency, making it perfect for long-distance travel. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The van's performance is further enhanced by its best-in-class service interval of up to 20,000 miles, reducing the frequency of maintenance and allowing you to spend more time on the road. The driving experience in the Sprinter RV van is made even more enjoyable by its advanced safety features. The van is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including active brake assist, active distance assist DISTRONIC, and sideguard assist. These technologies help to enhance safety and provide added peace of mind on the road. The van also includes multiple airbags and a reinforced frame, ensuring maximum protection in the event of a collision. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van is its versatility. Whether you're using it as a mobile office, a family camper, or a luxury home on wheels, this van can be tailored to meet your specific needs. The customizable floor plans, advanced technology, and high-quality materials make it a perfect choice for a wide range of applications. Additionally, the new all-electric ES Printer model is ideal for eco-conscious travelers, offering a zero-emissions option without compromising on performance or comfort. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van is a remarkable vehicle that offers a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and versatility. Its sleek design, spacious and well-appointed interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their travel experience. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or need a reliable and comfortable vehicle for daily use, the Sprinter RV van has everything you need to make your journey enjoyable and memorable. Thank you for joining us for this detailed review of the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter RV van. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and exciting content. Safe travels and happy adventures.